Hello, this is my headphone broken. Welcome to my channel. For beginners in the world of audiophiles, the question of how much money to spend to get started on this journey or to choose a pair of earphones that can accurately convey music is primary concern for anyone new to this hobby. Today, I would like to recommend an IEM that I believe can bring you into the world of hi-fi at a low price point, the Truthear Gate. The overall packaging design intentionally incorporates elements of the dimension style with a frequency response curve chart attached on the back. Aside from the 20 to 60 Hz low frequency range being slightly reduced, it can still be defined as typical entry-level curve earphone. Since its primary aimed at the overseas market, this kind of pricing and the Harman-like curve combined with marketing indeed work better. The box features a top and bottom lid design. Opening inside, these are the earphone and ear tips. There is a carrying pouch as well. The canvas leather texture is quite nice. The earphone's shell design is quite unique, with a transparent shell that clearly displays the internal soldering marks and dynamic driver. The dynamic driver even has the Truthear brand instead on it. Despite the overall plastic feel, because of the price, the packages include 7 pairs of ear tips, 4 pairs of teacup shaped, and 3 pairs of narrow board tips. Like most entry-level earphone, the Gate does not resort to deceptively manipulating impedance value to cater to a specific curve. Instead, its overall sound quality and resolution are superior within its price range. It doesn't heavily rely on the audio source, but it's recommended to add a dongle such as the nice HSQ TC3 or FIU KA11 to enhance the listening experience. Low frequencies. The overall decibels has good extension and depth, but it doesn't quite deliver the head rattling sensation. The bass is slightly behind the sub bass, but still has decent rebound speed and control over the sound, offering a moderately strong gain. Clearly, I don't think this an IEM suitable for bass. So if you're looking for an IEM in this price range with abundance of powerful bass, you may need to consider other options. Mid frequencies. If the mid bass could be made warmer, I believe it will provide better sound feedback. The original sound isn't lacking. Even the performance of instruments in the lower mid-range is quite good. Despite its lack of thickness and the bass region, the mid-range stands out, with female vocals being particularly excellent. The sound is intimate, with agent leaning towards the front, providing a pleasing and comfortable listening experience. The energy is top tier for its price range. Additionally, the optimization of sibilance in vocals is well handled, with high frequency vocals remaining stable and without harshness. During several hours of listening, I only encountered a few instances of sibilance sounds like hissing or sizzling. Overall, the only drawback may be that female vocals and lower register could be slightly reduced in quantity to achieve a warmer, less cold sound. High frequencies. The overall plastic-like feel of the high frequencies are somewhat pronounced, which honestly bother me. However, considering its price, there aren't many competitors in the same price range that perform significantly better, so I don't think this as a fatal flaw for this IEM. The high frequency resolution is excellent, covering details well, and I can perceive ample information in most tracks. Additionally, the highs are not overly bright, with a moderate quantity, and they don't heavily depend on source device. This earphone may not be suitable for those who are highly sensitive to sound quality. However, it is very friendly for beginners who are just getting into IEMs. The overall tuning is well done. After listening to this IEM, users will have a better understanding of their own listening preference and know which aspect to improve for their next IEM choice. Next is a cloud audio. Please enjoy.
Myself down to the bottom. There is no place to hide and no one can call me. My name is so dirty, call me dirty girl. You made me a symbol, so I'm on my own. Falling apart, no stopping to lose. I'm clumsy and not you call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear can call me a loser. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I swear you can call me a loser.
Thanks for watching it. Please leave a comment, feel free to share and like, subscribe to my channel. See you next video.